feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason.
Kajing lihat ka kickboxing ke badang adaptation. Trong ke food northeast kickboxing hau banai kala lingkot kala pelong nadu ke art kendai terik hadu life way terik kalong ru ke bawan ra ya ke jingjob ha ke bakilawan na keleng-keleng ke jylla trong ke northeast barok ke wei ke bala yo ru ya ke penjit ya ke tuk ni ke khynnah napok ke jylla Meghalaya ke bajob akte ke sengi ke bayo ru ya ke gold medal
sempat nyuan yang hangne ngedang sudah ya kena Ford Northeast Kickboxing Championship mentau dia benai bala dapat aku pendai lai pho balai fui kalau ngapa job long successful ha kiwana keleng-keleng ka state nyok Northeast barok fui te hak te kasni hi ngelayo ban jit kato bane ki khynnah na po jylla Meghalaya ke jungiru kiwala job hak te kasni kibayo gold medals ngelayo ban jit ya ki khynnah sangut ki khynnah man leit represent ya kane ka jylla ke jungi but ya kari India hi syapo kane ka ngin leit lekai syapo kane ka Asia Pacific Open International Kickboxing Championship kapan long hapo Indonesia hapo Bali nadu ka arpo South Tarik hadu arpo Tarik mentau nai hang hapo Kuta Bex Hotel Resort hapo Kuta Bex Hotel Resort hapo Bali Indonesia di Nyo ban select ikini ki khynnah ki jungi ban leit represent ya kane ka jylla Meghalaya badi kari India hi barok wei kidon sangut kidon laka jong ka age group bat ka category hangne kidon ka emigrace nong sub shipos nem sub junior semi contact aku RPG category nanta ka ozanika nong sub khat arsnem sub junior semi contact light ho kg category bat ka Banshailin Grace Masharing khat sausnem sub junior semi contact 45 kg category nanta i Biona Kharmujai khat khandai snem senior full contact 47 kg category but imewan pendak marpan khat nrusnem junior full contact 58 kg category hakajing alam ka jonga master Samuel Hasha hakaju kapor DE option hakaju kapor DE coach banyalam syakateka Asian Pacific Open Kickboxing Championship kapan long hapo ka Bali kan sedang nadu ka South Tarik kan sedang dah wijing manthawi wijing kia nadu kan wei baje man step hadu saw baje janmit kan budlang robat ka medical check up te haka arkusan Tarik Wednesday ka final session bank ka final medical check up nadu khandai baje hadu shipau shiteng bat khatwei baje kan don ka opening ceremony jong ka competition te ka competition kan sedang nadu khatar baje mensi nangta Thursday 18 Februari kan continue dan ka competition Friday arpunya Februari kan don ka competition bang hi bat hakju kapor kan don ka meeting ru jong ki representative ki bawan na keleng kari jong ka partai kapan wan hakte ka competition te haka Saturday pat arpu pratrik kan don bang hi ka competition bat kan don ru ka jing sam ki medals bat ki certificate ki khynnah ka bajok hakte ka sni bat hakju kapor kan don ka professional fight ka gala fight night ka pelong dengan ka World Kickboxing Association di katahi ketika ka championship ka pelong ha ketika sini kindon sibut ki kategori ki baper lagi jong ki weight lagi jong ki kategori bat kinwan ro na ki weight ki kiri ki man compete ha ketika sini tengiru ngisong komen Nagaland ka jungi man yo man lechim bynta ha ketika International Kickboxing Championship kapan long hapo ka Indonesia hapo Bali te kane ka island simro igi khynnah samla ka jungi bat hagaju ka poro undai tamba ai ka mansimi ki khynnah samla ka juru hagaju ka poro ki khynnah samla ki jungi kio lat man lecha ketika International Championship kemudian ni yoro ya experience ya khynnah ki jungi nomor ki khynnah ki jungi ro ki
sudah tidak mah
jungi ke jylla Meghalaya ngin pha sanmut saumut ki kentai but UAD shinra ha ki jing yalam ka junga kindon ro na ki pat ki jylla kom na po Assam na ta na po Orissa na po Karnataka na ki jylla kindon tang mana kane ke jylla ki jungi iyo man yalam sanmut ki khynnah man lekai ha ka Asia Pacific Open International Kickboxing Champion di nadu ki sub junior kamu nadu suppose nanti yo man le di idon wi khynnah jungi ro di sub junior semi contact emigris nong sub aku RKG
tak berat exactly ke fight kiri kontrak
exactly ka fight kan long haka arpsam tarik kamu khat arbaje miski ka competition nomor ba khat wei baje kan dot ka opening ceremony but khat arbaje kan sedang ka fight ha ju pasi arpsam tarik
kini kena dua pipa still gila ju
ki ba layo gold medal ha state level ru hapo national level ru hawa rajar arpusau ki gold medals ru kini napo Kerala but ki gold medals nantai napo Orissa ru badang syudap universitas maladap arjar arpusan de nanta dangdan hakne haka North East Kickboxing Championship ru ba la long hangne hapo nong ba shalom ki barok ki de ki ba yo gold medal si nanta shwaban le chathi chapo international kane kai Pacific ru ngindon ka training ka bakarpang na kunta jung kine dengan ai training mangahi yaki shwaban le khnang bakin long ki khna ka long ready ba ki batbet namar ba chisin bangi le ka chadu chathi ja international te kamde ka basuk ban ngi kermans khamro ba ki khna ki jungi kinwan ra ya ka medals kinwan ra ka burom na kunta jylla ka jungi ba nam ta ri ba ko te ngim nomor ba ni la persam ban wat kejing Arab men hakne nang ta ka North East ro te nak benta ka ban le chapo Indonesia pat ni klempat le wat jing Arab nano ro te ngin persam ban le wat hakne gisni shwa ban le nomor ba ngin mi nang ne haka arpo artarik na po Guwahati to Bangkok dan na Bangkok chapo Bali Indonesia te nge kerman skam hakne gisni ngin le kendo i chief minister badan borom jungiro nang ta i sport minister ro but yaki perlu parjor ki well wishers ki jumiro inshallah kendo shaban like ban bi nan
sebelum ada sarkar kam ai ke jirap ke iga kumlu pin manage pat hai ka beli ka
lada ka government kam hai khamat lada kam yarap lada kam dan kan ono ka jingarap nagaleng ga jongki te ni persam he banwat lat nagaleng ga jongi lengkat bat ka association lengkat bat ki parents lengkat bat ki khynnah iha banwat lat hinan nanti nomor nginam la ban shu apek tang naga government ro namar ka government ro lese ki don lagi jong kibun ki ba ki haban ya yang ba te wala kata ngim do jikarman te ngi karman hi ba kan nagalan ka government ro kin phai khmat lem chani kin yarap lem khamtam ai nagalan yu siam kum baju yarap yang ni hakini ki por ki bala la yuro ngi karman hakini ki sin ka ba mentaro in yarap lem nagum ta jongi yakini ki khna jongi ba mdai resibun namar ki dong tang sangot ki players but na kalau tang remote hi association.
And if they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they